What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and I am joined by a very special guest, Warriors65439.
Yo guys, what's up?
So we are going to be doing a NBA2k19 rebuild, and we are doing the Cavs, and she's doing one. Sorry you guys can't see her right now, but she's actually going to make a video on a rebuild too, and she is doing the Cavs, so am I. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm ready to get started if you are. So we got the roster. So I think I might actually start the season by doing like a trade. But I don't know. I might trade Henson. See what we can grab. I did actually turn injuries off, so yeah. Derrick Jones Jr. would not be bad. Bielitsa would not be bad. I think we're gonna have a really high draft pick, so Plumlee, but I don't really want another center because we have a lot of centers. OG Anunoby might be the one for Quinn Cook. I think I'm gonna do Quinn Cook so he could be our bench point guard, and I'm gonna have Clarkson play shooting guard. Oh, he is already? Okay. I'm gonna trade JR. And he got J.R. Smith. I am going to trade him. Definitely gonna trade him. Could get George Hill back. Beverly would fit, I think. Olynyk, Zeller, Bielitsa, Mitchell Robinson. I think we're gonna go with that one.
Then we can get Zion, like one of those good players. So hopefully we have a really bad season. That way we can get a really good pick.
Mitchell Robinson, welcome to the Cleveland Cavaliers. Okay. So Mitchell Robinson is on the team. Last thing I'm gonna have to do, I think, is trade. I think I might trade Dellavedova because I don't really need him anymore on the team. Magruder might fit. Yeah, not a good team we have going on right now. So, maybe that Evan Turner one. I think I'll just do that, and I think we're ready to start off the year. So first game, what's your record so far?
My record right now is 7-17.
Oh, you're already there.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go to simulate around.
Yes, it's bad season. A bad season. That way we can have a really good pick. Right?
We're 1-2, 2-3, 3-3. Wow. Beat the Hawks twice and beat the Nuggets and the Hornets. We're 6-3. So am I gonna trade Kevin Love? It's very possible, but I'm not sure. So you made, I think, a couple deals, right?
What?
You made some trades, right?
No, I'm just going with the greatest, and hopefully we can get really bad season now. We can have a really good pick for the draft.
I'm actually gonna check out the rotation. We're 8-10, so it's actually not as bad as I thought. We have Sexton, Clarkson, Osman, Love, and Tristan Thompson. What potentially could I get for Tristan Thompson? I want to just figure out what I could get for him.
I like teams that was on the board. Usually I don't, but I like them this time. That way we can have a good pick. So I'm really hoping for a lot of L's this season.
That trade, the Zubac one right there is very good. I'm most definitely taking that. Jeff Teague, I guess, but yeah, Zubac is gonna be, gotta give Evan Turner up, but we do get Beverly back, and I think maybe I'm gonna have Beverly play, Cook's our bench. This is our bench. I kind of want to have Clarkson off the bench. I think that would be good. I don't want to, nothing over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to have Clarkson kind of off the bench here. But I don't know for who. Because we have, I might have him start then. I'm going to see how it does, and then around over here, I will come back and make some renovations.
What's your record?
We're 9-12, so not too bad. I'm gonna
Our record currently about that.
What day are you on? Like, what month are you in?
We are in January currently, just entered February.
Just end of February, nice. We might have a high pick, but we're 2 games below 500 in the corner.
So, All-Star break, we are currently 17 and 37. So this is good for us.
Guys, we are 500. I cannot believe that we are 500%. That is our winning percentage right now. We are, okay, we're 500 again. We are above 500. Wow.
Winning, like, we are on a 4-game win streak. I don't like this.
And as weird as it sounds, guys, I want to get a good draft pick, so we're not too good. The winning, we want to kind of lose some games just for a high pick. Or I think it's... So let's make some renovations. Austin's cold, though. It's having a little bad stretch. So we have Mitchell Robinson, and here's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go the roster, and I could potentially give Beverly the option to be a shooting guard because the overall goes up, and then Mitchell Robinson a power forward, unless Zizic. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think Zizic is going to be power forward. Is Austin better? Nah, yeah.
It's losing. I love it.
I think I'm going to do that, yeah. Robinson's a good center here. Just kind of figuring this out. So I am going to exit that. That's what we're going to have to roll with because I think that just, these guys, they're more comfortable at that. Let's see what we can get for Nwamba and Brandon Knight. Probably not a lot. Robert Williams could be kind of solid. Royce O'Neal.
Come on, you got this, Dennis. You can do that.
I think we're just going to kind of keep things the way they are. So our lineups are Beverly, Knight, Nwamba, Mitchell Robinson. Oh, yeah, Zubac. Okay. So I might actually have to trade Zizic. He's 21. I don't really want to.
For the season, I'm happy about that.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to give Zubac, I mean not Zizic, an option to go to the G League. That way he can develop and then we'll be good. So we are going to simulate to, I think, the end of the year. Do we have anyone in extensions? Do we have any contract extensions? Take a look. Clarkson will resign. I am definitely going to resign because he is
I'm going to take a break from rebuilding and go have some food.
So yeah, I'm going to probably stay on right here. Zubac wants to test his free agency. So I don't know how interested he is in, I didn't want him to trade Sexton. I don't want to trade him. Oh yeah, I can't trade Zubac for 20 days. But hey, we'll see what we can get. All right, guys, I'm so sorry about that. But guys, we finished 42-40 and made the playoffs. And we were the 8th seed. We got swept by Philly in the first round and by the 76ers. And Warriors win, Curry MVP, Finals MVP. And yeah, so it's about draft time. It's about that time to get to the draft lottery. I would say we have like 16th pick maybe because we are not projected here at all. And that's because now I hope we can sneak in, but yeah. So I'm going to skip to the results. We are the... What do you get in the draft?
I got the 5th pick overall.
5th? I don't have it.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, I can't find my pick. Oh, it might have been. Staff signing. Larry Drew's our head coach. You know what? Just keep that. So, kind of just go to NBA draft time. Send to our pick. Alright, so hopefully we have a good pick. I didn't see. We have the 29th pick in the draft. That is not good. I should have traded for the pick. Alright, that's fine though. Because we can still make the team good. Kevin Porter, I guess I can take him. I think I'm gonna take Kevin Porter Jr. We'll just take him. And yeah, that should do it. Yeah, Zion went first. Yeah, so that's just kind of how it went. Rookie signing, we are going to accept him. We're gonna go to team player options. Don't have anything to do. Got that. That's just the decline stuff. So, that was my team. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try to re-sign these guys, Cook and Zubac, even though Zubac wanted to test his free agency, because someone will definitely sign him. Don't have contract. I did not put the thing on salary cap, just so it would be like we could actually, it would just be a little easier to sign players. But I'll try to sign Durant. I don't think he's gonna sign here. Did you get any free agents? Malcolm Brogdon would fit really well. I'm gonna offer him probably 65 million. Nah, yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna try to get
Centers.
Derrick Rose.
Vucevic would be good. All right, we got Vucevic and Brogdon. We're gonna re-announce these rights to Nwamba, Fry, Chris, and Stauskas. Beverly, I think I'm actually gonna keep. All right, Durant did not want to sign. So is Patrick Beverly here? I could actually, because I would definitely not mind. Oh, he's under shooting guard, I think, because I changed his thing. So Patrick Beverly would, I'm fine with signing him. So I would do that. And if Zubac is willing to stay, if Zubac is down to stay, then I'm kind of down for it. There we go. Can we get them? We got them. Zubac agreed, guys. All right. We got Zubac.
I offered KD, and I ended up offering Kyrie and Jimmy and DeMarcus.
I want to propose.
Got no one out of this. This is not good.
I want to propose a trade, I think. We do not have a lot to offer. I want to see if they would give, like, I could try to get Mitchell. Yeah, they're not going to do that unless I give them Sexton, and I don't want to do that. I will even give them Brandon Knight. I'll even give them, Clarkson. Oh, wow. Okay. We just got Donovan Mitchell. Why am I flipping out, though? I don't know. We just got, Osman will stay. We'll take you. All right. We are going to look at this trade. I had to give up Love, Larry Nance, Mitchell Robinson, Zizic, Brandon Knight, and Jordan Clarkson. But it's okay, because we just got Donovan Mitchell. That's our roster. 4 players. Mitchell, Sexton, Osman, Kevin Porter. We lost everyone, but we did sign some free agents. So we need a power forward, Julius Randle. I'm willing to offer him a contract, and I'm also willing to offer, I'd offer Damari Carroll a little bench role. Is Quinn Cook available? I'd like to bring him back, because Quinn Cook, I will bring you, we can't use any more offers. Zubac, no. Zubac did not want to sign. He's going somewhere else. Okay.
Miles, I like it.
Julius Randle.
Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson, and Jordan Clarkson, but I would get Malik Monk and Miles Bridges.
That's not too bad.
Or Buddy Hield, or Michael Fulton and Gordon. That might be a Jamal Murray, Michael Porter Jr. for 23 second round pickers. Give up Jordan Clarkson and Kevin Love. I might accept that.
I'm gonna try and go after Rudy Gay. All right, Quinn Cook. I think would you stay? Rudy Gay just signed, and Quinn Cook we are going to. I want to try to keep Paul Millsap on sign. Okay. Nikola Mirotic, he will have to accept that. I don't know why he wouldn't accept that. I'm gonna try to. Mirotic won't. All right, guys, we need a power forward here. Big time. Thaddeus Young. I don't know why you wouldn't say. Thaddeus Young to the Warriors? Give you $30 million so you can come. So I guess it's not a true rebuild, but hey, Jermichael Green is on the team. Isaiah. I'm gonna go after Quinn Cook then. I'll give you a 3-year deal. So we know you're locked in as our bench role, even though that doesn't make sense, I guess. Lance, I'm not gonna offer Lance actually. Aminu, I am definitely gonna offer you a contract.
You can get a 21st round pick.
Aminu has decided to sign. Do we have Zubac? Alright, that's our team. You got RJ.
Yeah.
Alright, that's our team. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or, okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 players. We're gonna try to sign one more guy. TJ McConnell, I would not mind signing him, honestly. But he's restricted, or unrestricted, okay. Daniel Tice. Yeah, we need to sign someone, guys, because, like, Jake Laveman, Kevon Looney. See, I'm going to go after Jeff Green, see if he wants to come back to the Cavs. Maybe he would like to have a little reunion with the Cavs. And he does. Alright. Free agency, guys, wrapped up. We are going to go to our All-Star City selection. So that's just the Summer League kind of roster. So Summer League is just finishing up. And we are actually going to be making a Play with Friends game on Warriors, her channel, so yeah.
I got Carter Jr.
Really?
And I only had to give up like barely any people, so that was really good.
We're doing it in Cleveland, guys.
Wendell, welcome to the team. Let's go.
Okay, guys, so just got to get this draft class loaded in. We are...
I'm going to try to get...
So what's your roster?
My roster right now is Jamal Murray, Wendell Carter Jr., Colin Sexton, RJ Barrett, Michael Porter Jr., Brandon Knight, Charles Matthews.
That's good. Are you in the off season?
Yeah, we are. So
we have Mitchell as what would Mitchell be as a point guard? 87.
A trade for Brandon Knight.
Yeah. Vucevic goes up as a
Matthews, no.
Rudy Gay, we already keep him.
No. Sexton, no. Wendell, and Jamal.
Rudy Gay went up. Okay. So our roster is Donovan Mitchell, Vucevic, Brogdon, Rudy Gay, Sexton, Beverly, Zubac, Jermichael Green, Damari Carroll, Alfred Aminu, Cedi Osman, and Quinn Cook, Kevin Porter. Oh yeah, Jeff Green.
Next year, let's go.
So we signed a lot of guys. Not gonna trade Sexton. Everyone we have is a free agent, literally. So let's see what we can get for you, Cedi. I mean, Cedi Osman.
Offer contract.
I might have to get Cedi Osman out because I need want to get just kind of something
Rubio,
good.
can I offer you a contract?
Rubio would be good off the bench.
Yeah, I'm gonna offer him an $80 million contract. See if I can get him.
4 years.
Yeah, for 4 years. So maybe 112. I think.
We are just kind of playing around with it. So
because
where's
then
the deal?
I'll accept our offer if I offer him $112
Hold on,
a year.
Cedi, I'm gonna keep you. All right. So we have got to get our rotation. This is what our starting lineup is: Sexton, Mitchell, Osman, Rudy Gay, and Vucevic. All right. If we could possibly do this,
better sign with us because we want you.
Let's sign you, Mike. Aminu has no minutes. Cook has no minutes.
130.
All Alright,
100%.
Here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna do some stuff. Oh, I know.
We're giving Ricky Rubio $130 million a year to sign stuff.
Nice. Alright, you're the... Alright, guys.
They get shooters. We want shooters.
That's our bench. Cook, Brogdon, Carroll.
Might go after.
I like that as a bench. Yeah, that's probably a good bench.
After Terry Rozier off the bench.
That'd be cool. Sexton, Mitchell, Rudy Gay, Michael Green is a starter. I think we're gonna start Aminu, but
I'm gonna try to get Terry Rozier like 130, 150 a year.
Oh, gotta get
Terry Rozier and Ricky Rubio coming off the bench, bro. So I also got probably 138, maybe 150. Ricky Rubio, but man, so we're gonna offer him 130, exactly what we gave.
So Beverly, I really want to keep him, but I don't know. He's gonna run. You know what? We'll keep him there. And our bench. Who's our bench guard? Brogdon stays. He's an 83 either way, but I want to kind of keep him.
Agree.
If Brogdon ran small forward, I know Beverly would not. Okay, Beverly will. Patrick Beverly is going to be going small forward, guys. That sounds weird. I know how weird that sounds. We are going to sign Beverly. We are also going to put, no. Let me just switch those two. Brogdon, I need you to be, just do like that. And then, yeah, Beverly right here. And Malcolm Brogdon is our bench. Okay, so that's pretty much what the bench is rolling with.
Can you get Boban?
So I think I'm gonna probably end the video after this season. I feel like we're a legitimate contender. Or no, I'm not simulating.
Did you just start the season yet?
Yeah. We're 0-1.
Terrence Ross shot from the logo to beat the first half buzzer.
Really?
Yeah.
You have Terrence Ross?
We're trying to get right now Boban Marjanovic.
Oh, Terrence Ross hit that shot. Oh, all right, that's gonna be.
Trying to get Boban Marjanovic because I feel like he would be a great person, great center off the bench, possibly coming out to the starting lineup. So
we're 6-1. All right, I'm happy. I'm totally fine with that.
Marquise Chris, nah, we're not.
So this is I think that this lineup is gonna be good. I don't know why Aminu is not playing, but otherwise, because the bench looks like this, we have Jermichael's a starter, so let's just put him there.
Maybe possibly 4-year deal.
Yeah, that's our bench. Hopefully we can get Aminu actually playing, because that'd be nice. Oh, Osman's getting a lot. I'm gonna take his 8. I want to give him 15 a game, and I have to give Aminu that because I need Aminu to.
Going off to Javale.
Yeah, I gotta have Aminu.
The chance is really high for Javale. We need Javale.
Oh, Jermichael's only playing 16. I do not want that. Yeah, I do not want him playing 16. I'll give him 21 as a starter, and we're just gonna roll with that. So yeah, let's see how we do in this second series.
That contract because we expect to see. Why we need you, Bobby, Jabari, Beacher, Zubac. We'll offer you a 1 year.
Mo Bamba, that'd be nice to get. Definitely not doing that for Mitchell. I give them not Collins.
We offered a lot of senses of players.
Yeah, they won't do that.
Valerie will
decline that trade.
Yeah, we can do that.
This is a really long video. I am sorry about that, guys.
I really want you.
So after this season I'm in, I think I'm going to end it if that's all right with you.
What?
Yeah, I think after this season I'm going to end it if that's okay.
That's totally fine.
Okay, because yeah, we are going to play a Play with Friends game, and I'm really excited to do that.
Yeah, I am too.
She actually beat me earlier today.
Really going big with Jabal McGee right now. I really want him to come off the bench for us. So he already didn't want us to play too often, so
We're 15-5, guys. This is a finals team, I think. As of the way we're playing, I'll put it to that.
I offer you a 2-year deal. We offer you a 2-year
If I don't win the finals, if I don't win the finals this year, like, hey,
No.
I feel like if we don't win the finals, that's still totally fine. Of course, that's the main goal. But we did what we wanted by rebuilding the team, which is.
Daniel and Jabal would want a better one. That is young. We can do. We can do you.
Pacers, we lost, so we're 18-10.
That is young likes our interest. I'm happy with that. Yes, we'll offer you that. Bobby Portis, how about you? You like our interest?
Isaiah, we'll pass on this. So yeah, we're playing good. We're playing good.
Let's do that, Bobby. We'll do that for you, big boy.
All right, now we're gonna go
Like
to.
we could do for a 3-point shooter. We'll do that for you.
All right, we're really not. Oh,
Michael Green,
guys, I think I have to accept this trade. Blake Griffin would be huge, and I'm sorry to trade Malcolm Brogdon, but so sorry about that, guys. But we did make the deal, so we did get Blake. We got Blake Griffin from Malcolm Brogdon, 21 second-round pick. Then we did this huge trade. We traded Aminu, Damari Carroll, and Jeff Green because we didn't need all the power forwards for Hassan and Olynyk. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna run Hassan off the bench. I think that'd be cool. So I'm probably gonna trade Zubac real quick, just because I don't need him. Oh, he's an 81. Maybe JaMychal. I think I'm gonna have to trade JaMychal Green. Yeah, let's hear your roster.
It's Jamal Murray, Derrick Rose, Jabal McGee, JJ Redick, Wendell Carter Jr., Brook Lopez, Thaddeus Young, Colin Sexton, RJ Barrett, Ricky Rubio, Ivica Zubac, Michael Green, Michael Porter Jr., Isaiah Thomas, Patrick Beverly, Frank Kaminsky, Terry Rozier, and Boban Marjanovic, J.R. Smith, and Charles Mackey.
Wow. I think that could be like a championship team.
Yeah. We're going to try to get one more player.
So even if neither one of us win the finals, we still got the main idea, rebuilding it. Redick is, I don't really need Redick. Zizic, back. Joe Harris. I honestly am just going to do that.
Let's try to get who's a good person off first.
Wow.
How is you?
Cedi Osman, I finally have decided.
On a 4-year contract.
Whoa. McConnell and Boban are free agents. Okay. Don't really need them though. So, that's what we're running, guys. That's pretty much what's going on. That's just, we've built this team from scratch. And, well, not from scratch. I like our team for. The point is, I think from scratch we rebuilt it. And Olynyk's going to be a huge player. Except, I might, if I can trade Olynyk, I might and put Zubac like that. Confirm. Alright. Gonna have to trade Kelly Olynyk. Can't. Okay. Probably gonna I have to have Zubac playing because I feel like he's an X factor. Ivica, you're gonna be playing. And we are gonna go right over here. And we are going to put Zubac in. Alright, guys. Hassan has not played yet. Alright, it's updated. So Hassan is gonna be in. Alright, there's Hassan and Zubac, Beverly, Olynyk, Osman. I think I'm gonna swap kind of Olynyk and Osman's minutes because I did sign him to that extension, so I just want to get use out of him. Quinn Cook, I think I'm gonna trade. Wait, who's our bench point guard? Cook.
Jamal Murray, Derrick Rose, Wendell, Colin Sexton, Michael Porter Jr., RJ Barrett, JJ Redick, Zika, JaMychal Green, Thaddeus Young,
like the way this is looking. I think I'm gonna give Whiteside 25, and I'm gonna give Beverly 15, and I'm just gonna give a couple 5. Sorry about that. I'm gonna give 5 minutes to Colin Sexton. So I think we're just gonna kind of. Do I have any contract extensions? Let's take a look. Oh no.
I just offered a trade and I got it.
What'd you get?
Colin Sexton and a 22 first-round pick. But I got a 20 first-round pick, top third protected, and Rudy Gobert.
Oh, you got so trading Sexton wasn't as bad. That is a good deal right there. Capella for Vucevic and PJ Tucker gonna have to decline though. Vucevic is a big part of our success. So after the season, I am gonna end this video, but she is going. I think Warriors is gonna be we're gonna make one together. So make sure to look out for that video on her channel, guys. It's gonna be really fun to do. Alright guys, I'm so sorry for the background noise, but again, a very long video here, but guess it's all good. We're just going to fill out roster automatically and have CPU adjust rotations. So not a lot left to do really, because we did make our main goal and we've had a bad couple games here, but we did rebuild the team, which is our main goal. And we did for sure rebuild the team. Wouldn't decline that one right there, which is actually a pretty beneficial trade. But are you in the season yet?
Wendell Carter Jr. I could get rid of Wendell Carter Jr. and Rudy Gobert, but in return I would get Jaylen Brown and Al Horford.
That's actually a pretty good deal. And Mo Bamba? Nah, I can't.
Jonathan Isaac for Wendell and Rudy Gobert. I'm not going to do that though.
So the one thing.
Dinwiddie and Jared Allen for Rudy Gobert and Wendell Carter Jr. I'd get rid of.
I would probably hold on to what I have there, because Wendell's promising.
Yeah, but with Jaylen Brown and Al Horford.
That could be a good deal, but Gobert would be good for you. All right, so we are definitely declining. The addition of Blake Griffin has been very promising. We held on to key guys like Sexton and Beverly. We had to trade Love. Hey, we got Donovan Mitchell, who I do think all around is a better player. Right now, very good star. He's a stud for the Utah Jazz, and I think he's the best player.
1-1.
We're 32 and 24. Oh, guys, we are on a win streak right now. We are on what looks to be a one game win streak. Lost to the Hawks. Hawks are gonna be good. Figures. Bucks. We are. You guys will definitely. If the team before made the playoffs in us, team chemistry is a 90%. See, if the other team made the playoffs, the last year's in this 2K's team, so this team has to win. At least make the playoffs. And again, guys, I know we probably will not win the finals, but hey, we did our main goal of rebuilding the team. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7 straight losses right there, you guys. That's not good. Then turn it around with 4 straight wins. Yeah, it's very fun to do this, you guys. 5 straight W's. Let's end it. Oh, we lost to the Bulls. And they'll be very promising too. Yeah, guys, this is a very, very successful year as we are 46-34. And I know we should have been a little bit better with the roster we have, but hey, we did it with the Cavs. We flipped it right around. Zion with the Steph MVP, Zion Rookie of the Year, Schroeder, 6 Men of the Year, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Defensive Player, Kevin Knox wins Most Improved, and Mike D'Antoni. You did? 4 seed against Miami. Game 1 to Cleveland. Game 2 to Cleveland. Game 3 Cleveland. And let's end it in 4. No. Miami stays alive. Oh, assuming we'll still make it around. Miami stays alive. Okay. There we go, guys. So we are now in the second round versus the 1 seed Toronto Raptors. This is where it ends, but hey, this road ends. If it ends right here, which it looks like to be, hey, we put up a good fight. Yeah, that should do it. Oh, okay. All right, I'm not gonna look. All right, we are out. Hey, it's fine though. You know, we put up a great, very valiant fight, and so I think I'm probably gonna end it right here. But we did the main goal, rebuilt the team, and see who wins the finals right here. And it looks to be a close one. Rockets win, Harden likely MVP. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the video if that's all right with you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Warriors65439. Thanks for joining me. That's what we turned the starting lineup into, right there. Colin Sexton, Donovan Mitchell, Rudy Gay, Blake Griffin, Nicole Vucevic, and Hassan right off the bench. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Thanks for coming on this rebuilding journey with me. Very long video, so thanks for sticking around. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.